Okay, from here. Okay, so from here you need to connect this positive here and negative. It's very easy to connect. So it's only you have to open the screw and put this in between, and then that's it. So I have got this tag along with this. I have tagged it here, one here, one here. Okay, so here, so this way you have. So what I have done is I have placed this on this what is that, cooling oil or something, I don't know which oil it is. Just keep that in, tag it here. Okay, so the grill and this, what is the body of the car should be opposite to it. Okay, so it should be start beeping now. You might have heard it now. Okay, that's the beep. So this is that is when it will help you keep rats away. Okay, this is Carat. Let's see, Carat, and leave a little space here so that no sound hits this wall. Okay, the body of this your car, and it will circulate all entire car. Okay, from here. Okay, so from here you need to connect this positive here and negative. It's very easy to connect. So it's only you have to open the screw and put this in between, and then that's it. So I have got this tag along with this. I have tagged it here, one here, one here. Okay, so here, so this way you have. So what I have done is I have placed this on this what is that, cooling oil or something, I don't know which oil it is. Just keep that in, tag it here. Okay, so the grill and this, what is the body of the car should be opposite to it. Okay, so it should be start beeping now. You might have heard it now. Okay, that's the beep. So this is that is when it will help you keep rats away. Okay, this is Carat. Let's see, Carat, and leave a little space here so that no sound hits this wall. Okay, the body of this your car, and it will circulate all entire car.